How to add friend in Monopoly Go by link. Want to add friends on Monopoly Go without using Facebook or contacts? Here's how to send and use an invite link. It's fast, easy, and perfect for expanding your game circle. For this, launch the Monopoly Go and tap the friends icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure you are on the Add Friends screen where you can see options like Contacts and Invite Link. Under the Invite Link option, tap on Invite. Now choose how to share it. Tap on Invite. You can share it via text, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other messaging platform like Snapchat as well. Just tap on it. Now here you can see the link right here. Once your friend taps it and installs the game, they will automatically be added. And that's it. That's how you add friends on Monopoly Go via invite link. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.